Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to review Bajaj 600mm ceiling fan. Let's talk about specifications of the fan. RPM 870. Double ball bearing. Air delivery 110 cmm. Regular price is 1,550 rupees. Offer price in Amazon Great Indian Festival is 1,399 rupees only. Best buy link is given the description. We have already done unboxing video of Bajaj 600mm fan. If you're not watched the video yet, please watch the video, link is available in the description. Let's talk about the major features of the fan. 1. Build quality. Build quality of the fan is very good. Fan blades are made from aluminium, so the blades are durable than other blades. The fan makes little bit noise. But if we consider the budget, it's not a big problem. 6. Fan speed, air delivery. The best thing in this fan is the speed. It's far enough for the small rooms or kitchens. Let's see the real performance of the fan. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.